The process by which sulfuric acid is produced is known as contact process. The process by which sulfuric acid is produced is known as contact process. Stage 1. Production of sulfur 4 oxide. Sulfur is burnt in a furnace in presence of purified air to form sulfur 4 oxide. Stage 2. Conversion of sulfur 4 oxide to sulfur 6 oxide, that is, catalytic chamber. Any dust particles and impurities are removed from sulfur 2 oxide produced, as well as any unreacted oxygen. These clear gas are heated at temperature of about 450 degrees Celsius and are passed over vanadium 5 oxide. This catalyzes the reaction between sulfur 4 oxide and oxygen to produce sulfur 6 oxide. Note that vanadium 5 oxide is used as a catalyst because it is cheaper and is less easily poisoned by impurities. Stage 3. Conversion of sulfur 6 oxide to sulfuric acid, that is, absorption tower. The sulfur 6 oxide is passed into an absorption tower or chamber where it is dissolved in concentrated sulfuric acid to produce an oily liquid called oleum. Stage 4. Dilution of oleum to produce sulfuric acid, that is, dilution chamber. The oleum is then passed to the dilution chamber, which is then diluted with water to form concentrated sulfuric acid. Note that the following are the optimum conditions for the contact process. Catalyst: vanadium 4 oxide. Temperature of 450 degrees Celsius. Pressure of about 2 to 3 atmospheres.